Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Warbirds 2025, the last day. But we got something great here. This is the Carf models, Corsair with the folding wings. We've shot this father-son team before, but you know what? It's such a cool airplane. Hey, you can't shoot it too many times. So folks, sit back, relax, enjoy the flight, and hey, listen to that great radial. So crank up the volume, folks.
And of course, the Corsair, famous in its own right with the television series Papa Black Sheep, and of course, Papa's Warning against Japan. Corsair was also the first carrier-borne fighter by the U.S. Navy, or I should say for the U.S. Navy, that was able to break the 400-mile-an-hour mark in level flight. Now, there was a Hellcat that could do that. It was called the Super Hellcat. The engine had another 200 horsepower. Well, guess what? We found the owner of the cell phone. Oh, and by the way, the Kremlin is saying the weather's pretty good out there in Moscow right this minute. They've had a good day. Corsair has that information going on. The Corsair, unfortunately, had a number of problems. The first was in the design phase. Here was the problem. With the Pratt & Whitney R2800 2,000 horsepower engine up front, they were turning a propeller that was 13 feet 6 inches from tip to tip. That is a big propeller. But the landing gear was long enough that you wouldn't hit the propeller on the deck of the ship. Not really a good thing for engine and propeller, not to mention the ship. The problem was that if the landing gear was as long as those when they retracted it, it wouldn't fit into the wing. So they came up with this great idea of bending the wing down, giving it that cone-wing shape, so that the airplane had a tendency to bounce on carrier landing. Very bad. Bad things happen. So the critics re-engineered the landing gear slightly, and then you could take the bounce out of it. The Corsair had a visibility problem over the nose as well. So did the Hellcat for that matter. Leroy Drummond mentioned that this is going to be a problem not to be able to see the airplane while you're approaching to land on the carrier. Well, guess what? They didn't do anything about it. Kept it right where it was. So the instead of doing square corners, you just kind of circle your way back to the carrier. This way you're not looking over the nose, you're looking down over the side. And onto the deck of this moving aircraft carrier. He was awarded the Congressional Medal on the TV series Pop-On Black Sheep. There are a few pictures out there on the internet of Patrick Boyington and Robert Conrad, who played the part of Patrick in the TV series.
Look at that, folks. Look at that. You know, folks, I'm just going to call that Warbird butter right there. Warbird butter, because the Carf models, Corsair, is just stunning. And folks, let me tell you right now, when you have a beautiful aircraft like that, and such a smooth landing, what else are you going to say? Now watch this, folks. Let's see if he'll get the wings to fold up. There you go. That's the money shot right there, ladies and gentlemen. That's the money shot. How cool is that? Right now, currently, Carf Models is the only one on the market today that has that capability. And folks, that comes with the plane. That's what's so crazy. All right, friends, more to come.